Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Ponoka, Alberta. This friendly town is found in central Alberta, about halfway between Edmonton and Red Deer. The name Ponoka comes from the Blackfoot word for elk, which have lived in this area for a very long time. The land here is made up of rolling hills, grassy fields, and rivers, with the Battle River flowing nearby. It's a beautiful part of the province where farming and ranching have always been an important way of life. Ponoka was first settled in the late 1800s and officially became a town in 1904. When the Canadian Pacific Railway came through, it helped the community grow quickly, bringing in new people and businesses. Ponoka is known for the Ponoka Stampede, one of the biggest and most exciting rodeos in Canada. Every summer, people come from all over to enjoy the rodeo events, parade, and fairgrounds. With its rich history, natural beauty, and welcoming people, Ponoka is a proud Alberta town with a strong connection to both its past and its future. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Ponoka, Alberta. Thanks for watching!